At the end of sixth grade, we do open-ended math projects. These are projects where the students are allowed to pick a particular topic they want to explore and its connections to mathematics. The primary goal of the project is for the students to begin to discover and really see mathematics outside the classroom. So they're often playing with projects that don't have an obvious tie-in to what they've done in class. For instance, one person did a project on ballet and the different angles that appear as you're in the body movements. Someone else did one on different types of air cannons, looking at how they worked and how they fired. Someone else did a project looking at where's the mathematics involved in Photoshop, and how do you do overlays and how overlays really work in terms of shading. In all these cases, the students are often seeing mathematics way above their level of understanding. But more importantly and they say, I understand this part, but not this part. But this is beginning to whet their appetites for where they're going to go in the future. The project is very open-ended, so they're not given a lot of direction. So they've got to begin to set their own parameters and their own limits to say, what can I cover in a 5-minute presentation? What can I talk about? What can I not cover? The mathematics has to be visible. They're also encouraged to think out of the box and do a different presentation. For example, one set of girls decided they were going to do a biography of a mathematician, but rather than just do research, they tried to rewrite it as a children's story so it could be understood by younger kids. By getting the students to explore this, they're beginning to see something beyond what you see in the class. Mathematics as it really looks, and to recognize where it can go, how hard it can get. But the fact they can understand it now, what we're trying to set is that idea in their heads is I don't understand this yet.